Hey everyone, this is Kyree. This is my cousin's daughter's daughter. And so anyway, she is absolutely darling, aren't you, Kyree? Yeah, she is such a sweetheart, such a good girl. She has darling curl, absolutely darling curl. It's bouncy. What we're doing, her mom just wants to bring it up about an inch just to keep it nice and healthy and, to let it lift a little bit, just to keep those ends looking thick. So what we're gonna do, I have wet this down. I'm just gonna wet it down again. Okay, and I'm gonna put her head down. So you want their head to go down. So fun with this curl. Remember too, if whoever's cutting out there, just make sure that you know that it's going to bounce up. So like say you want a little and you take more than you want, it could be shorter just because it always shrinks with Kyree. So just remember that. Okay, so we're gonna take about an inch off. I'm gonna come down here. I'm holding the hair down with my comb. And we're gonna bring down the next section. Hold it down with the comb, come straight across. Good job, Kyree, you're doing good. Just keep your head down like you are, okay? Awesome. Okay, now the side, you're gonna put her head up and we're gonna grab this side. We're gonna take this length off. And then when we get to the side, make sure that their chin is even, that it's not up or down. So you can see that's curling up, but I'm just taking that edge off. And this will help so much to take this inch off. Okay, now put your head back down. Good job, sweetie. Okay, again, I hold this. Make sure you're watching their head to make sure they're not tilted to one side. Okay, now I'm gonna tilt her head. Okay, her chin is even, it's not up or down. We're coming to this front. Hey, good job, sweetie. You're doing awesome. Okay, so then I'm gonna hold this out. We're gonna make sure both ends are the same length. In the front, tiny bit longer on this side. Okay, she has this from growing out that's a little bit shorter. So what I want to show you, you okay, sweetheart? Okay, do I need to get that out of your face? There we go. All right. Good job. You're welcome. Okay, so I'm going to take from that just a little bit from there to the bottom so it blends in. Just so it's not short up here and long here. So I just blended that just a little bit there. And then we'll double check this side and make sure that it's the same. That way you won't have a short piece here and then long. It'll just blend a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spray this. Cover your face, huh, sweetheart, so we don't get you. And then this curl cream, love this curl cream. Another way you could, this is from Monat, by the way. There you go, so you can see that. I love this because it dries in the curls, but it doesn't make it sticky, doesn't make it like crunchy. It's just really soft. I do love that. Ooh, does that smell so good, huh? Can you smell that? Do you like it? You love getting your hair done?
Dampen.
It's good. Okay, the thing with curls, you want to let them dry on their own. Yes, if you're going somewhere, you need to hurry and dry a little bit. Dry on a low pressure, not like the high heat. So it's fast because you don't want to interrupt the curl. Sometimes it can go frizzy. So you just want to put the product in and just put it throughout the curls so it can dry in the curls that is there. Oh, you are cute. You're okay. I am so glad you came today.
Me too.
Oh, good. I'm so glad. Okay. All right. I'm going to turn her around. Hopefully you can see on this color cape that it thickened that up and her hair, the natural curl. It's stunning. It's so darling. I love it. Okay, Kyree, can you wave at everybody and tell them see ya? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks for letting me show your haircut. You're so cute. Fun thing with curl too is once this dries, it's fun. You could pull some of this up. So it's up here, another side up, once it curls. Okay, thanks again. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day. See ya.